Some would argue that the favorites are in Hancock County and the Findlay Trojans. Luke Montgomery picked up an offer from Clemson this week, sidelined tonight against Bowling Green with an ankle sprain. Brother Ryan, the freshman, getting the start in the first, 4th and 7, going for it. Montgomery finds Justin Roth in the back corner. Touchdown Findlay as the Trojans would build a 14-0 lead. Thanks in part to what they could do on the ground. Isaac James gets into the hole and then just refuses to go down. James would add another score, so it's 28-0 at the half. And in the second half, Ryan Montgomery takes over. Finds Ben Ireland in the corner, 35-0. All Trojans, 49-0 your final. Montgomery, 16 of 18, 220 yards, 4 touchdowns. The offense struggled last week. Remember, both those scores were on special teams. They put up 49 tonight.
Yeah, I was pretty nervous. It was my first varsity game. But after the first possession, like the first drive, I was fine. Just felt comfortable. Oh, yeah, it definitely starts with the offensive line. They're the most important. Running backs did really well. They ran hard. Receivers obviously did really well, too.